In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF in Gemini. If you're working in Google Drive and have Gemini integrated, you can turn long documents into clear, actionable takeaways in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through what to look for and how to get the most out of the built-in summary tools. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and locating the PDF you want to summarize. You can browse your folders or use the search bar if the file name is on the tip of your tongue. Once you've found it, double-click the file. It will open in the Google Drive PDF viewer, usually in a new tab. Give it a moment to load fully. The viewer will display the document pages in the center with a toolbar at the top. When Gemini is available for your account, a summary card or a sidebar appears automatically alongside the PDF. This panel provides a quick overview of the document's main points, so you can understand the big picture without scrolling through every page. Think of it as a highlight reel. It surfaces the core ideas, themes, or conclusions it detects in the file. You can scan the summary before diving deeper, or use it to confirm that the PDF is the one you need. This doesn't change your file, it's simply an AI-generated view to help you work faster. Depending on your view, you may also see suggested actions beneath or beside the summary. These can include options like draft proposal or list key takeaways. Tap one that matches your goal. For example, choose list key takeaways if you want a concise set of highlights to paste into notes or a meeting agenda. Pick Draft Proposal if you need a starting point that transforms the document's ideas into a structured outline or a rough write-up. Gemini will generate deeper summaries or task-oriented content, and you can read through, refine the language, and copy what you need into your workflow. A few tips help everything run smoothly. If the summary panel doesn't appear, it may mean your account doesn't have Gemini in Drive yet, the file's permissions limit analysis, or the PDF type isn't supported. Also, remember that AI summaries are best used as a guide. Skim the original PDF for critical details, and be mindful with confidential documents. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Google Drive, review the automatic summary, and use suggested actions to produce exactly what you need. With Gemini's built-in tools, you can move from a lengthy PDF to clear, usable insights in minutes,